Friends, what's up? Happy weekend here. Okay, the market sucks, still completely destroyed. I can really say right now, you should look at this, you should look at that. Right now, if you can't find something to put your money in, then that might be a problem because there are so many hot deals out right now with the market, and you know what, there's just too much to, there's more than what we have money wise. I'm sure a lot of us, especially right here with the holidays. But let's talk about Sundial here. So the latest news with Sundial here is pretty interesting. Obviously, Sundial stock is taking a huge hit with the whole market. Nothing is safe right now, nothing. So in March here, Sundial took that partnership with Sunstream Bancorp here. And we talked about it, you know, things were great, yada yada. Now, Sundial has announced it has filed for a public offering, IPO, of Sunstream. So this is pretty big news right here, but still, you know, Sundial's not really moving with the company whatsoever. Sundial intentionally announced it would commit 100 million Canadian dollars to the Sunstream Bancorp joint ventures that would allow it to continue to focus on its cannabis operations while also participating in new investments in the sector. The company has also increased its capital and added to Sunstream twice. So we've seen this, you know, this is something that Sundial does. We talked about this. SundialGrowers, they are famous for buying up companies, investing in other companies. And, you know, obviously Sundial is a cannabis company. And I'm trying not to sound like a broken record here, but it's safe to say that a lot of us go like, is this a cannabis company or are they an investment company? Because they do a lot of both. And that's what sparks the interest with so many people. A lot of people like that, and then you know what? They don't like that, and it's understandable on both sides here. So this year with Sundial, we have had up and down situations. So right now, I'm going to say, you know, what everybody probably doesn't want me to say. The last time we saw Sundial really hit $1 was back in June. Now, obviously, Sundial is going to really need to get up into another dollar mark here. And they came pretty close here right around November 12th. Now, personally, I'm very bullish on Sundial. I believe that they can hit this again and that they will. I like the company. I believe in the company. The only problem that I have with the situation is that cannabis itself is still not legal everywhere. And that is a huge issue with any cannabis stock that is trying to get off the ground here. Especially when Sundial buys up a lot of companies to pretty much make investments. So obviously, why I said that dollar situation, because, you know, a lot of stocks we're seeing right now, a lot of penny stocks, a lot of stocks that had a lot of hype around them this year have not really touched $1 this year, and Sundial is right in that situation where, you know, by June they're going to need to hit $1, and you know, we've still got a ton of time to hit $1 here, and obviously if they don't, they're going to have to file for extension, in which I'm sure they will be granted, and they will not do a reverse split, anything like that. And I just bring that up because I've heard a lot of people say, well, there's going to be a reverse split soon. There's no talk of reverse split. There's no reason to do a reverse split at this moment. So friends, we're not going to dig into a chart too much because I really don't think there's really much reason to. Everything is destroyed right now. Most things in the market are destroyed. The Dow Jones is down. The S&P is down. NASDAQ is down. Every little stock, everything is just almost being destroyed. Everything is just annihilated. So right now we need the market. We need the three big markets to come back here to push every little thing in the right direction here. And when it comes to Sundial as a company, I'm still with them. I'm still very bullish on them. And I still believe that 2022 could be a pretty big year for them and that there's still a lot of meat left on the bone here with this company. Friends, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.